Getting a DPC watchdog violation on Windows 11? You're not alone. In this video I'll show you step by step how I fixed this error based on my own experience. No confusing steps, just simple solution that worked for me. Hi everyone, today in this video I'll walk you through how I personally fixed the DPC watchdog violation error on my Windows 11 PC. I had this issue a few times in the past, and after trying multiple things I found a few solutions that actually worked for me. So I'm going to show you those step by step. So what causes this error? This error usually happens when Windows cannot properly communicate with your hardware, especially with your SSD or drivers. So it basically means the DPC watchdog violation error points to a problem with a piece of hardware or its driver. It can also be caused by outdated system files, incompatible programs, and even corrupted files. So the first thing I would like to do is to disconnect external hardware and reboot the PC. First, unplug anything you connected to the PC, including a flash drive or other accessories, and restart the computer. Use your PC without the external component to see if the problem persists. If you still get a DPC watchdog error with external components disconnected, you know the problem is not related to those components. So let's continue if that is not the case. After that, the first thing that is recommended to do is to check for Windows updates to see if any updates are available. Make sure your system is fully updated, because sometimes these errors are already fixed in the latest updates from Microsoft, so this is always the first thing I like to do. Go to Settings, Windows Update, check for updates, and install everything available. After that, it's a good idea to update storage drivers in the Device Manager. So next, open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start menu, expand the section called IDE ATA API Controllers. Right-click on each item and choose Update Drivers, and then click on Search automatically. That worked for me, and it might work for you too. The next thing you want to do if your problem is not solved yet is to run a system file checker. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type this command, sfc scan now. This scans your system for corrupted files and automatically replaces them. It might take a few minutes, but it's worth it. The next thing you want to do is to check the SSD firmware. If you're using an SSD, visit the manufacturer website to check if there are any firmware update tool available. Be careful, only use the official tools from the manufacturer. Before we continue, keep in mind that all these steps are based on my personal experience. Every system is a little bit different, so make sure to do your own research and follow the steps that make sense for your setup. If you're not sure, ask a tech friend or a professional. Last but not least, let's go over the bonus tip, which is also optional. Check Event Viewer. If you're still stuck, open Event Viewer and check for any critical errors around the time the crash happened. Go to Windows Logs, System, and look for red error messages. This can give you a clue if a specific driver or device is causing the problem. So I hope this video helped you fix the DPC watchdog violation error on your Windows 11 PC. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful PC tips like this one. Check out the other videos on the channel for fixes to common PC issues, and I'll see you in the next one.